So I bought these pansies at Lowe's today. This says $16.98, which is crazy. I would not pay that much for it. But these were on clearance, 75% off, so they were like $4.20 or something like that. And this says it's got Creeping Jenny. I don't see the Creeping Jenny, but it says it's in there, so maybe it'll flesh out as these grow more. And what I'm going to do is I'm cutting all of the flowers and just cutting them back real low so that they'll grow back. And maybe the roots are real bound up. They're root bound. You can see I have cardboard in this pot. This pot was just sitting all winter with leaves and cardboard and different things at the bottom. And so I've just put some dirt on the bottom, and then I've put these in, and I'm going to put some more dirt, some of my chicken compost on top of it, and we'll see how they do. Okay, so that's what I'll do with those and leave them, and I'll update on how that's going. And I may even chop off these snapdragons. I'm gonna leave them right now because they're looking okay, and the violas are looking okay. And I also put some up here, and so I'll probably snap them off too, and I'm gonna have to add some more dirt to them also. Nope, I don't want to snap my snapdragon. And those will flesh back out, especially with it being so warm. It's supposed to. Ooh, did one just break? Ooh. So that came off. Ooh. And I'll just hook that back up. So this is what these black elephant ears look like now that they've been in the sun. And if you put it in the sun, look how dark that is. And so they get pretty big, so I'm going to separate. There's a lot of them in here. They're pretty wet. So I'm just going to see how easy it was to pull that up. And this is why it's always good to have a spoon or something handy. Okay, this is a spoon that I got at a garage sale or something, and so I just use it to kind of break up the roots here, and then I got plenty of roots. I'm putting them in that pot right there, but these needed to be thinned out. And so I'm doing that. Probably leave one in this pot. Look at that, a magnolia. I definitely don't want that growing. Not over here. Oh, see, I ripped the thing off. That's why your spoon is important. There we go. Alright, I'll probably leave the rest of that and plant it somewhere else, but just that root ball. All right. So we finally got around to clearing all of this area back here. We did it today. We cleared it all and threw it in the like ditch area, kind of a swampy area. And so we just dumped it all in there, and look at these crazy ducks.